Well, see, is that it?
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's what? Come back.
Recently saw the video of Mick driving his dad's car, the 2004 car, on slicks. What I meant was Silverstone, 98 or 97. Yeah, I think Schumacher did that, right? 3X on stand up right there on the spinny thingy. Hello to all the newcomers, this sticks and I want to play. How's the day going? Schumacher had sent stop and go, and he was in the last lap going in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And he crossed the start-finish line. It's crazy time right there. So we're going to places. Come, kids, we got stuff to do and stuff to see. Oh boy, we're going crazy, going mental. The big wheel place again with the fish and the cocktails and the stuff and the J-Dog saying, don't walk into the door. And I've learned, green, blue, yellow, I've learned I'm not a ghost. I cannot walk through walls or doors. I'm merely a human. My disappointment is immeasurable. It is what it is. And what it is 100X up there.
Go get it, Tiger.
Well, see, you done did it. That's a doubly wobbly, wibbly wobbly on the screen again. Certified juicer right there. That's going to be a 200X.
Is that a double?
You best believe it. $400X, okay?
With more than 13,000 years. Do you know Boaster? I don't know who that is. Is that a person? Is that a game? Henrik says I got to reject. Please contact live support. Go to the chat, press on the button that looks like headphones, and inform them about your situation. No, my bad. So, wish you the best of luck. 3X on Pachinko Whale. Could we make that a reality? I think that could happen. Slow down. Ladies and gentlemen, 3X on Pachinko now. We're talking. Let's go. Whale. Let's take a look, everybody. What are we hoping for this time around? So the lowest multiplier is a 5X, which means 15. We also have a 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 100, and double. Multiply everything, please. So 300X on the line here, unless we make it a double, which is a 600X. So let's see where it takes us. I wish you all the best of luck. Here we go, 300X, everybody. Come on, Daddy needs a new pair of boots for winter. Come on, we're right above it. No, go back. You're doing fine. No, come back. So, no, go back. Okay, double. It's not bad. It's okay. It's okay. 600X here, everybody. Let's go. We were close. I kind of would have preferred the 300X, to be honest. But hey, now everything is bigger, so it's all good. Okay, we got a distance to go, but 600X. Let's do it. No, go back, go back. Anything with 100x. Go back, yeah, you're doing great. Not another double, go back. Another double! What? 1200x. What? This better be good. Because I can't walk up these stairs forever. 1200x, everybody, let's go! Anything bigger than 100x would be ideal right about now. Which is basically almost anything. 1200x. No, come back. Come back. Please. Another double. What? Can we just get something? I mean, not something, but 2,400x on the line here. My heart is gonna explode. Please. Come on, come back. You were doing so well. If it's another double, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Okay, 600x. Not terrible. Not terrible at all. 600x. And just from a 3x. Congrats, 7,505 winners. Top player Salem with more than 90,000 euros won, everybody. A 600x on Pachinko. That's the first time I ever had 3 doubles.
Guest Emerald Vibe and Alex J. Compliment betting Tom. Let's go for the next one. Rather than 2 or 7. True. We'll do for now. Let's go for the next one. By the way, welcome everyone who's joining. Thank you so much for coming. I'm wishing you the best of luck to work. I'm afraid my back will hurt after that cheese. And I need to be here, for a long time tonight, so I'm afraid I shall say no. 5x in the Pachinko now. You don't want to see that, You don't want to see that cheese. Please give me BMW. Why even? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Third Pachinko in a row with a 5x on top. Alright, this one was tight, ladies and gentlemen. This one was tight. But we go. Here's the wall. What we have? 5x is the minimum. 25x is the minimum one. Alright. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, and a double. Slap that 5x on, baby. 200x is the maximum one. This board looks so much better, right? Let's go. Alright. Will do. We'll be dropping from over here. Enjoy. Go for that 200, or I will find where you live, Puck. 200 is right over here. 200. 200 or double. 200. 200! Oh! 200x. Let's go. Woo! 6,255 winners. Ruble G2.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.